Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhan Sarwar and my group member name is Mehreen Ilyas. Our project name is Water Level Indicator Alarm. The material which we use in this project, that is resistor, which is 220 ohm, and we use in this project LEDs and transistor, that is 547 BC, and we use alarm, and we use in this project a battery, that is 9 volt. We also use in this project a glass jar and a breadboard circuit, that is breadboard circuit. We draw a circuit at a breadboard circuit. We use at a breadboard circuit 3 LEDs, that is 3 LEDs, and 3 resistor, that is 220 ohms, that is resistor, and we use 4 transistor, that is 547 BC, that is 4 transistors. We use a common wires. What is the common wire? These common wires set at the glass jar at the ground level. And we also use 4 basic wires, that is 4 basic wires that use in the breadboard circuit, and these 4 basic wires set in the glass jar 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. These 4 basic wires are the 4 level. So we start a working of my project. That is the positive series and that is the negative series of the breadboard circuit. We connect the battery of these wires in the breadboard circuit. We set a positive wire in the positive terminal and we set a negative wire at the negative terminal of the breadboard circuit. Now we add a water in the glass jar. Now we adding water in the glass jar. When the water is reached at the first basic wire, so the water is reached at the first basic wire, then the LED of first is on, that is blue LED, that is the first basic wire, and the first level is cross and the first LED is on. Now we also add some water in the glass jar. Now we adding. The water is reached at the second basic wire, the second level. The orange LED is on, the second LED is on. Now we also add some water in the glass jar. Now we adding. The water is reached at third basic wire, the third level, and the red LED on, that is the third LED and is on, you can see. Now the last level, that is the upper surface of the glass, that is the 4 and last basic wire. Now we adding water. The water is reached at 4 level, 4 basic wire, the 4 level, the alarm is sounding. This means the tank is full. This is the upper level and the alarm is sounding. That is my project. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.